Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. This time, yes, a chord. You want to remember what a chord is. A chord is that line a circle into two unequal parts. It divides circle into segments, major segments and minor segments. Yes, how do we determine the length of a chord? There are two formulas I'm going to introduce to you in this video to teach you the length of a chord. Number one, the first formula, formula 1, says that length of a chord, length of a chord is given by 2r sine theta all over 2. And the second one says chord length of a chord is equal to 2 root r squared minus d squared. Now let's take them one after the other. The first one, which says that the length of a chord is given by 2 sine theta all over 2. When a question is asked about length of a chord and the theta is given, what we use is this formula. It makes it simple. When you have the theta, meaning that the angle subtended at the center of the circle, we get to calculate the length of the chord with this formula 2r sine theta divided by 2. Let's use this, solve this question we have on the left hand side of the screen. If we are to calculate the length of this chord, remember AB, line AB is a chord. So now to calculate the length of the chord, we just say 2 multiplied by the radius. I haven't known that the radius is 21 multiplied by sine. The angle subtended at the center of the circle is 60 degree. Let's take this to be 60 degree. So 60 degree divided by 2. So that is 2 times 21 give us 42 multiplied by sine. 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 42 multiplied by sine 30. Sine 30 is 0.5. So 42 multiplied by 0.5 is 21 centimeter. So meaning that the length of the chord is 21 centimeter. So let's check. Can we use the same? I use the second formula to get the same thing. Let's check the second formula. Since the second formula says that the length of a chord is equal to 2 multiplied by the root of r squared minus d squared. Now let us learn the part of this formula. We all know what the length of a chord is. R is the radius. Apothem. I have not taught you apothem. Apothem is the distance from the center of the circle to the chord. The distance from the center of the circle to the chord is an apothem. So that's the length for the apothem. So we need to get this length of this line to calculate the length of the chord. How to get the value of this? So we need to use our SOHCAHTOA. Yes, cos theta is equal to adjacent hypotenuse over hypotenuse. So since our theta, remember this was 60. So now that we divide it into 2, this will be 30. So this angle will be 30 degrees. So that is called 30 equals to adjacent, that is the hypothesis we are looking for, D all over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 21. So cos 30 multiplied by 21 is equals to the hypothesis. So cos 30 is 0.866 multiplied by 21 is equals to D. So our D is equals to, so D is equals to 18.19 approximately to 2 decimal place. So to 2 dB. Now we can now calculate for the chord. So the chord now says Now let's use the second formula and let's see we are going to have the same answer. Length of a chord is equal to 2 multiplied by the square root of r squared minus d squared. Note the d here means apothem. And what is apothem? Apothem is the distance between the center of the circle to the chord. I mean from this center, let's use this as an to chord, this chord to the chord. So that is an apothem. So this length of line from the center to the chord is an apothem. So how was this gotten? It was gotten from Pythagoras theorem to get this formula to calculate the length of the chord. So let's see if we can calculate the length of a chord through this formula as well. So we will need this apothem, the length of the apothem, the line from the distance of the circle to the chord. How do we get it? Yes, so katwa. Good. So here we need tan, that is twa. Twa simply means tan theta is equal to yes, we need cos. We need cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse. So we know the theta here. This is 60 degree. This was 60 degree. All was 60 degree. Now that we divided it with an apothem, we know that here will be 30 and the other side will be 30 as well. Therefore, our theta now is 30 because I'm dealing with this part of this triangle right now. So cos theta is now cos 30 equal to adjacent. The adjacent is the apothem you're looking for, right? Apothem. So let's represent it with letter D all over. The hypotenuse is 21 centimeter, 21 centimeter. So when we cross multiply, we are going to have cos 30, which is cos 30 multiplied by 21 equal to the D. Now we know cos 30 to be 0.5. Now you know cos 30 to be 0.866 multiplied by 21 equals to D. So the D equals to 18.187. 18.186. So the D equal to 18.186. Now we've gotten the value of D. Now let's go back to the formula for the length of the chord. So it says 2 root r squared minus d squared. So this is equal to 2. Since the radius is 21, so we have 441. 21 multiplied by 21 is 441 minus the d squared. D squared is simply 18.186 multiplied by 18.186. So that is 330.73. So 330.73. Remember, this covers for all. So this is equals to 2 root 441 minus 330.73. 441 minus 330.73. We have 110.27. 110.27. So what is the square root of 110.27? Yes, 110.27 is equal to 10.500. So when we multiply, 2 multiplied by 10.5 is equal to 21. So we can see that the length of the chord is 121 centimeter here. So the two formula are very correct to solve length of a chord. So when theta is given, we can prefer to use the first formula, which is this 2r sine theta divided by 2. And if the theta is not given, and the apothem is given, or you will have it the way we had it in the second example. You can look for the value of the apothem and then use it to calculate the length of the chord. I trust you understand what we did in this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.